Ever wondered why many successful people didn't rely solely on their degrees to amass their wealth? The truth is, a degree can open doors, but it's not the only key to financial success. Side hustles offer students a chance to gain practical experience, financial independence, and even build wealth. This video will explore 7 side hustles that students can start, offering a unique blend of practicality, profitability, and scalability. So, are you ready to discover the 7 side hustles that can pave your way to financial independence? First on the list is short-form content creation. With the ever-increasing competition on digital platforms, the demand for original content creators has skyrocketed. This surge provides an exciting opportunity for students who have a knack for creating engaging content. Through platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Twitter Threads, you can share your unique voice, ideas, and experiences to a global audience. And the best part? You can monetize your creativity, unleash your creativity, and start earning with short-form content creation. Next up is investing. Often overlooked as a side hustle, investing holds immense potential for those willing to navigate its intricacies. Delving into dollar-cost averaging, you regularly invest a fixed amount, regardless of the market's highs and lows. This strategy can smooth out the impact of market volatility. Index funds, on the other hand, offer a passive investment strategy, tracking a specific index to generate returns. Investing may not be a traditional side hustle, but its potential for income growth is undeniable. Our third side hustle is Discord building. Discord has emerged as a versatile platform attracting communities ranging from gaming to education. If you're tech-savvy and can create engaging online spaces, building and managing Discord servers can be a profitable venture. The next side hustle on our list is online coaching. If you have a skill or knowledge that others would find valuable, you could offer personalized coaching. This could range from academic tutoring to fitness training. With the right social media strategy, your coaching business could reach a wide audience and yield substantial returns. Moving on, we have AI animation. As the adoption of artificial intelligence continues to rise, opportunities for animators are expanding. If you have a knack for creativity and are willing to learn new technologies, AI animation can be a rewarding side hustle. Coming up next is reselling luxury items. Despite the initial costs, the profitability and global reach of the luxury market make it a lucrative side hustle. If you have a keen eye for value and can spot a good deal, reselling luxury items could be your path to financial success. Finally, we have online writing. Whether it's blogging, copywriting, or writing ebooks, the demand for quality content is high. If you have a talent for writing, this flexible side hustle could bring in significant earnings. From Discord building to online writing, these side hustles offer a wide range of opportunities for students. Each one requires a different set of skills and time commitments, but all have the potential to provide a steady income stream alongside your studies. Choosing the right side hustle depends on your interests, resources, and goals. It's about finding what suits you and what you can be passionate about. Remember, a side hustle isn't just about making extra cash. It's about investing in yourself, your skills, and your future. It's about taking control of your financial independence and not relying solely on a degree. Yes, each side hustle comes with its own set of challenges. They require varying levels of time, money, and skill to start and scale. But the opportunities, growth, and potential returns they bring can be substantial. You're not just creating a source of income, you're building a foundation for wealth. So why wait? There's a world of opportunities out there, waiting for you to seize them. Start your side hustle journey today and pave the way to financial independence. And remember, for more wealth building tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.